Picture this, January 1st. The gym bag is packed, the journal is open. New Year goals shining bright. Mid-January, both are collecting dust in a corner. Every January, millions set ambitious goals. By February, about 80% have already given up. Why? Willpower alone isn't enough. Where we live matters more than we think. Our homes can quietly sabotage our resolutions or help us become who we want to be. I know this firsthand as an interior designer and as someone who once wondered why my own intentions never became habits. Today, I'll show you how to make your home your ultimate ally, a real lasting change, using practical proven solutions that anyone can try. This isn't a new idea. Ancient Greeks understood it. Socrates and Plato debated it in open courtyards, convinced that beauty and fresh air fueled sharper thinking. Frank Lloyd Wright believed homes should harmonize and elevate the lives within themselves. Modern science backs this up. A UCLA study found cluttered homes elevate cortisol, our main stress hormone, especially in women. Research from the University of Exeter and others show that by adding plants and natural light can significantly boost happiness, creativity, productivity, often by 15% or more. If you want to read more, eat healthier, meditate, create, or simply breathe easier this year, your home must make those things easy. Willpower always loses to the environment. This applies whether you live alone, with family, or in a shared space. Habits are built by what's easy, visible, and inviting, not by to-do list alone. Last January, I worked with a client, let's call her V. She was determined to get healthy, dreaded her treadmill. In fact, it was buried in her basement next to the laundry. So we moved her workout gear in a sunlit corner of her living room, added a basket along with a yoga mat, and hung a few inspiring prints. Simple, affordable, no renovations. These changes made the choice obvious and inviting. Within weeks, working out became a daily ritual. V mentioned, for the first time, exercise felt like a gift, not a punishment. I've seen this first hand work for hundreds of clients and myself. Here's my framework. The 4 pillars of intentional spaces, starting with visibility. Want to read more? Place a book on your coffee table, not hidden on a shelf. Try to eat better? Consider a bowl of fruit on the counter. Get rid of the junk. Meditate daily. Set up a specific chair or a corner. Add a candle or a cushion to make it more special. Next, friction reduction. Make good habits easy. Journal, keep a notebook and pen out. No treasure hunt. Minimize bad habits. Keep your phone charged out of the bedroom to improve your sleep. No giant house is required. Create microzones. Reading nook by a window. Art supplies tray on the dining table. A shoe rack by the door for daily walks. If you have a small studio or a shared apartment, a foldable desk that tucks away, or a decorative screen to separate the sleep from the living. Maximize every corner for your needs. Don't forget about biophilia, light and nature. Open the curtains in the morning. Add a plant or two. Sunlight and greenery are proven mood boosters. No design degree is required. Throughout history, people created intentional spaces for focus and renewal. Monasteries, Japanese tea rooms, Renaissance libraries. These weren't luxuries, they were essential support for discipline and growth. You deserve the same support at home. A few pitfalls to watch. Don't chase perfection or Instagram trends. Design your life not for likes. Avoid overwhelming yourself. Focus on one or two habits at a time. Let your space reflect that. Stay flexible. If a zone isn't working, move it. Your home should evolve with you. A few years back, I had a client, James. He set up a productivity desk in his bedroom. It gathered dust. Why? It faced a blank wall, wedged next to his laundry pile. So we swapped it for a small writing table by a sunny window in his kitchen. Suddenly, his writing became a ritual every morning with his coffee. James said, seeing sunlight made a difference. Function and feeling made that square footage. This year, don't just hope for change, design it. Start with one object, one corner, one visible step. Your environment is both a mirror and a map. When your space aligns with your intentions, you stop fighting yourself and you start setting yourself up for real, lasting change. Remember, it's not only the initial setup. Reassess, refresh. Small updates can reignite your drive all year long. That's the philosophy of intentional interiors. Your home is not only where you live, it's also how you live. So ask yourself, what if the biggest transformation this year isn't in your habits, but in the home that holds them? Move one object, create one zone, open one curtain. Small shifts create big impact. When your home supports your mindset, every resolution stands a chance.